Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest step by step even if you are a complete beginner. Pinterest is not just a social media app, it is a visual search engine where people discover ideas, inspiration and plan future projects. People use Pinterest for fashion ideas, home decor, recipes and other stuff. So Pinterest work using pins, boards and search. A pin is an image or video that shows an idea. So to start using Pinterest, you need to go to the pinterest.com. So first you need to open Google Chrome and at the top search bar, go to the pinterest.com, type down it and after you're done, select to the enter. If you have not created an account in Pinterest, you can simply go to the sign up and you need to type down all of the basic information that is required to open an account in Pinterest. But you already have an account in Pinterest, so you can simply go to login on the top right corner where you are required to type down your email and password. You can simply go continue with your Google account as well by simply just clicking into this and select your Google account. Where you just got into Pinterest homepage. The homepage is where Pinterest shows you idea. Each image you see is called a pin. On each pin here, you can click to see more details. You can save it as well, or if you want to share it, you can go to this mode, share into the share icon here, click into the share. And if you want to share to other social to friends, you can click on each social apps here. You can also search it by email and send it to your friends as well. If you want to download this pin, click into this three dot icon. Here you can select this, download this image. And here you just downloaded a pin. And if you want to like or comment, you can simply click onto this like by holding onto this like option. And if you want to comment, click into this comment section. Here you can select and add a comment. And once you're done commenting, you can into send here. Pinterest learns from what you see, search, save and click. The more you use Pinterest, the better it becomes at showing you what you like. Pinterest is best used through search. In the top right corner, you can see the search icon here. Once you click onto this, you'll get into this big interface of the search bar. You can type anything, for example, home decor ideas. Enter it. Pinterest will show you pins, related keywords and filters. You can scroll and click on any pin to learn more about it. In the next, I will teach you on saving pins and trading boards. So when you like a pin, you can save it. So here's how. Click onto one of the pins you see or you like it. You can press save on the top right corner here. Pin just got saved. You can also choose a board or create a new one. And to create a new board, you need to click create board. Create a new board, you need to go to your profile icon. Go to your top right corner, select your profile here and scroll a bit down. And here we could see this create icon. Click on the create icon and you can choose either for the pin, board or collage. As we are learning about the board, select to the board. You can also name your board if you want. Choose if it's public or secret. So if you want to keep this board secret, you can simply click onto this icon here. But if you do not prefer it, so you can simply deselect it as well. And if you want to add any collaborators, you can also search it by your name or email, and after you're done, you can simply select to this create. So here you will get into this interface where you'll get more of the pins to your board. So select any pin you want, clicking onto this interface and select done on the bottom. You can also create your own pins. To do this, you need to click plus icon on the bottom here. Over here you need to select pin. So you can either upload an image or video by simply clicking into this icon here. You want to either choose a file or to drag and drop it here. You'll get into this library. Click onto your photos library here. If you want to add a title, click on your title as well. You can also add a detailed description of this image or pin that you have just loaded. And if you want to add a link, you can simply paste a link if you want as well. If you want to choose a board, you can also click into this board and select any board that you want to put into this pin. And if you want any tag topics, you can search for the topic and type down those topics here and click into this one topic. And if you want to schedule this pin, you can simply toggle on this icon here. If you do not prefer, so on the bottom you could see the more options. Select the more options. If you want to allow people to comment, Pinterest will automatically toggle on this icon. If you do not want any blue comment in your pin, so simply toggle it off. If you want the similar products like in that you're just about to post, then you can toggle it on. But if you do not prefer that, so toggle it off. If you want to describe the pin special details, here you can simply describe any details you want. And after you're done, you can simply go to this publish on the top right. Now let's go to your profile. In the top right corner, you'll see the profile here. Select to the profile. When you reach your profile here, you get into this interface. You can go to the edit profile over here. So since you do not have a photo or your bio, you can simply go to your change option here and you can select photo from your library. Select choose photo. Here you can select any photo from your library to put in your profile. You can simply double click onto this photo here. If you want to write a bio, you can select to this about here and write your bio. If you also want to add any website, you can simply paste it down over here. It will be shown into your profile. If you want any pronoun that describes you well, you can select or add your pronouns here as well. Do remember that your bio should explain what you post and what people can expect. Scroll a bit down, and if you do not prefer this username, you can simply change your username by just backspacing on it and change any other username. If you want to put your email address as well, you can do that. Over here, you are required to enter all of the basic informations, and after you're done, you can select save at the bottom. In the top right corner, we can see this notifications icon. Click onto this notification icon, and over here, you'll find all of this saved pins, recommendations, activity, and you can also go to the settings and you can change privacy. And to do that, on the top right corner, select this icon here that says accounts and more option, and on the bottom you could see these settings here on your accounts, and on the left hand side we could see all this notifications, privacy and data. Click onto these notifications here, go to all the way to bottom, and here you'll find how you get notifications. Simply toggle it all. Simply toggle all of these options that are here. If you don't want any specific notifications, you can open this icon here and toggle it off each wise as well. And after you're done, you can select save on the bottom. If you want to link your profile to any other socials as well, you can do that by simply selecting on link to Pinterest on the left hand side. You can find all of these socials. You can go to and either claim with Instagram as well by clicking onto this claim, or if you want to link to Pinterest with any websites, you can do that by simply clicking to claim over here, and all these options are here. On the left hand side we could see the profile visibility. Click onto the profile visibility. Here we can see the private profile, and when you toggle on this private profile option here, your profile is private and it will only be to those people who you approve and who can see your profile, pins, sports, followers, and the following list. So to that, you can toggle it on here and select get started. And over here, what you are required is to type down your password and select convert account and go back. And if you want to hide your profile and words from search engines, example Google, you can also toggle it on here and select I understand. And once you do this, your profile and words will be hidden from your Google. And if you want to import your content here, because you import content, you can import your content to either your Instagram, or you can also upload it to the text file. And if you want to import your other products in the catalogs or Shopify, you can do this as well. In the social permissions here, click onto the social permissions. Who can mention you? If you want anybody on Pinterest to mention, you can select this icon that says anyone on Pinterest. But if you want only the people who you follow, then click onto this icon. But if you want to turn on no one can mention, you click onto this icon here. And you can also decide whether messages go to inbox, request, or do not receive them at all. So if you want a message button to appear on your profile so others can message you, click onto this icon that will toggle it on. You can also edit, either you can friends or other followers following or everybody else. And if you want to filter any comment section here, you can also get into this interface. After you're done selecting all these options here, select save on the bottom. And the last thing is to log out. In the top right corner, we can see this icon here. Click onto this icon where you'll find a logout. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Here we can see this logout icon on the bottom. Click onto the logout, and here you just successfully log out to your account from Pinterest. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like and comment down below if you have any trouble using your Pinterest account, and we will reach out to you very soon.